Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kriti. So today I'm going to announce the winners of New Year and Christmas giveaway. So without any further delay, let's get on to the video. So our first winner is Mishti Ashu. Congratulations to you. Second winner is Deepa Napeet. Congratulations to you. Third winner is Sudha Mahajan. Congratulations to you. Fourth winner is Cinnamon. Congratulations to you. Fifth winner is Monata Das 123. Congratulations to you. Sixth winner is Ik Khan. Congratulations to you. Seventh winner is Kanchan Charan. Congratulations to you. Eighth winner is I Muskan. Congratulations to you. Ninth winner is Anshi 1784. Congratulations to you. 10th winner is Shruyan. Congratulations to you. 11th winner is Shukla Preeti. Congratulations to you. 12th winner is Shabana Shajid. Congratulations to you. 13th winner is Shalu Gupta. Congratulations to you. 14th winner is Latest Beauty Fit. Congratulations. 15th winner is Alka Gupta. Congratulations to you. 16th winner is Girly Life Story. Congratulations to you. 17th winner is Archika Mahajan. Congratulations to you. 18th winner is Lily Singh. Congratulations to you. 19th winner is Neetu Mittal. Congratulations to you. 20th winner is Devashri Banerjee. Congratulations to you. एंड गाइस जितने भी विनर्स हैं सब मुझे अपना एड्रेस डीएम कर दीजिए जिससे मैं आपकी गिफ्ट जल्द से जल्द पहुंचा सकूं एंड थैंक यू सो मच.